Hello, I am parent of Vyom and my son is studying at Mahara International School for his nursery, and we have a very rewarding experience at Mahara. What stood out at Mahara was its nurturing environment. The teachers are warm, patient and genuinely attentive to every child need, especially at this early stage. In nursery itself, we have seen a remarkable growth, better communication, improved confidence, social skills, and curiosity to learn. Learning here is enjoying, and that's what we can see how Vyom is interacting with us. Mahara is not just about academics, it's about how they are emphasizing value, independence, emotional development, which we believe is very important in early stage of development. We wish we are very grateful to be a part of Mahara family and would confidently recommend it to any parents for the very strong, caring, and uh, journey for from the start till the end with curriculum that Mahara has planned. Thank you.
Hi Maharati, wishing you a very very happy anniversary. It has been a really great journey with Mahara. I'm the mother of Ashwin, who's in K1, and I have to say you've done a brilliant job in grooming my child. The play school is a place where children find themselves, they find an identity, they find friendship, they find confidence, they find life learning, they find care, love, and affection. And I'm really happy that I have taken a brilliant decision in enrolling my son Ashwin in Mahara. Particularly, kudos to the team of Lakshmi ma'am and the team, because they have taken immense care in grooming my child. I came from another school, and when I enrolled in Mahara, I was doubtful whether Ashwin would really cope up here. But there was a drastic change in Ashwin some 2 months down the lane. And I'm until today, I tell even Lakshmi ma'am every day that I'm happy about putting Ashwin here. He's been groomed really well. He's confident, he exposes and he talks what he wants. And this has been a brilliant job. Mahara is very different in the aspect that they treat every children in a unique way. It's not like you follow this paradigm or this method or this formula for every kid. And for every kid, it's different. And I've been really happy with how Mahara has groomed Ashwin. So my heartful thanks to Lakshmi ma'am team and the MD ma'am for bringing in beautiful such talents and making this school so beautiful place for nourishing your child. Thank you once again and happy anniversary.
Hi, this is Preetham, father of Ishani from grade K2. I congratulate Mahara International School on its foundation day. Ishani has been part of this wonderful school for the past 2 years, and it has truly been a joyful journey for our family. We are very happy with the care, education, and support the teachers and staff provide. The nurturing environment has helped Ishani grow with confidence, curiosity, and happiness. Thank you to the entire Mahara International School team for shaping young minds with such dedication. Wishing the school many more years of success and excellence.
Hello everyone. Myself Shravanti. I'm parent of Anira. So Anira is with Mahara from pre-nursery. She completed 2 years now. So I have seen a lot of growth and development from Anira, because the school is taking good initiatives on encouraging kids in all the activities, not only the education also. So I wish Mahara for completing these many years, and also I wish for many more years ahead. Congratulations, Mahara. You want to say something?
I love Mahara. Good morning, everyone. My name is Megas. My school birthday is now. I'm very happy to go. Happy birthday, Mahara International School.
Good morning to Mahara team. This is Pranav Varma's mother from Kondapur branch pre-nursery student. Heartily congratulations to Mahara team, successfully completed the 6 years of journey. The team were entering to the 7th year. It's a rainbow year. All the best to Mahara team and their students. Make them joyful, happiness, success, good health to all the team and students. Thanks for being a part on this success. Thank you.
Congratulations, Mahara, for completing 7 years.
We're happy that our kid is going to your school for almost 2 years now. He's learned a lot, and even the school has, grown a lot. Congratulations for coming up with the new branch as well. I know it's a couple of years now in Bachokalli. All the best for the future. I hope Mahara becomes a big school and international school. All the very best. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Sonia, Ananya's mother, and Ananya is studying in Mahara International School, Kondapur branch. She was 2 when we have took an admission for her in Mahara in daycare, and she continued there till P1. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the wonderful environment that they have created in Mahara for these children. The warmest and the patient and the dedication of the teachers made our children for early learning journey truly joyful and memorable. The thoughts active, the thoughts, the activity and the creation, every day lessons has not only nourished the curiosity but also instilled value of kindness, sharing and confidence. I deeply appreciate and personally thank each and every staff of Mahara School, including the center head, teachers, DB, Aya. They have taken care of the child very well, and I would recommend more students to join. And initial days, it's very important to have a joyful, cherishful, memorable journey with learning, which I think Mahara has given to my child. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Manurnya, Kritik's mom. Kritik has been associated with Mahara since he was 18 months old, and now he is 4 years old and in nursery. As working parents, sending our child to school at such an young age came with many questions and anxieties initially. However, over the years, Mahara has built a strong sense of trust and confidence for us. The school has played an important role in Kritik's early development, helping him grow socially, confident and enthusiastic child. It gives us a great peace of mind even at office while working, leaving him in the school. Knowing he is in such a caring and nurturing environment, we truly appreciate the support and dedication to all the staff, teachers, especially the principal ma'am, for being cooperative and supportive. We are grateful to be part of Mahara family. Thank you.
Congratulations, Mahara, for completing 6 glorious years. Your dedication to education and excellence makes us proud to be part of this institution. All the best, Manaswini ma'am, for all your future projects.
Happy 6th anniversary, Mahara. We got to know how happy our friends are with Mahara and wanted to give it a try. And wow, that destiny has changed our lives. Teachers like Tulsi ma'am and our principal ma'am take utmost care of each and every child and involve everyone in all the activities. And those activities too. It includes taekwondo, dance class, sensory play, tracing the letters, everything in fun way. We don't need to run from one place to another place for all these activities. Thanks, Mahara.
Congratulations, Mahara, on completing 6 wonderful years of this journey. You have been very instrumental in each child's growth, not only in terms of academics, but in their overall development. I would like to thank everybody associated with Mahara who have shown a lot of patience and love towards these children. I wish all the best to Mahara and hope that this institute continues to grow and flourish in the coming years.
Hi, this is Divya Vihanshi's mom. She's studying in nursery. We are very much happy with Mahara. Mahara has helped Vihanshi in a lot of ways. Her communication has improved drastically after going to school. And initially, she was crying, but because of the environment of Mahara and teachers, they helped a lot. Now she loves to go to school, and we are very happy about it. Thanks to Lakshmi ma'am and the entire team of Mahara. We are very much happy with Mahara.
Hi, I'm Ipsita and he's Satyajit. We are Tarush's parents. When we started our journey with Mahara a year ago, We just saw the distance that the school is from our house, and the CCTV camera, I guess, that they were giving for daycare. But then the kind of growth that we have seen in Tarush in the past year, academically and with respect to activities and the many languages he is already speaking, we're very happy that we chose Mahara. I guess
And we wish Mahara all the best and very good luck for the future.
Thank you.
Hi, I am father of Vega Ranjit. Congratulations, Mahara, on completing your 6 years. All the best for your future endeavors. Keep inspiring more children.
Congratulations, Mahara, for completing 6 successful years. Thank you for all the teachers and staff for your dedication and care. Wishing happy anniversary to the entire Mahara family.
Hi, I am parents of Rico K1 from Mahara International School. We are really happy with the school and the teachers. They are very caring, supportive, friendly. My child enjoys coming to school every day. I can see a lot of changes in my child's confidence and learning.
Hello everyone, I am Shashikant, father of Shauri Rudransh. Firstly, warm wishes and greetings to all the teachers and staff of Mahara Foundation. I would like to congratulate them for their 6th anniversary. 6 years of nurturing children with all the good behavior and activities. Finally, once again, happy 6th anniversary to Mahara Foundation.